To hide apps on Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all you will need to find Moto Secure app. You can find it in the Moto folder or somewhere on your phone in the app drawer or home screen. Open this app and click on Secure folder. If you don't have it set up, I recommend to watch my video on how to perform a secure folder setup for this specific device. If you have your secure folder opened, click on the plus button right here and add a specific app that you want to hide. In this case, we're gonna go for the Chrome. So the Google Chrome is now hidden in secure folder, although it may appear that it's also available if you leave a secure folder. So how it works is if you open your Chrome through secure folder, it will have a different instance. It won't save all the same data that you would be using in your standard Chrome right here from the system launcher. So this Chrome is different than the Chrome that we've put in secure folder. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.